This is a guide to coordinate a tasteful yet colorful setup to collect and display your personality just a little bit more. Oftentimes we can slap together some RGBs and a cool desktop wallpaper, and that would just be the end of that. But this is going to take it one step further. Let's figure out how to use color in your setup. First things first. Lighting. Lighting can be essential for many applications, but it would be nice to have some more purpose behind it rather than just straight up illumination. Take these Corsair LT100s for example. They connect to your PC and provide basic RGB lighting or reactive RGB lighting. They're very Tron-esque and can look completely pointless depending on the type of person that you are, but I like controlling the lighting in my environment depending on the vibe. Now when I initially set these up, one of the towers weren't lighting up, so I downloaded the IQ software, and as soon as it launched, the second tower started working. So I wouldn't actually call these plug and play, just make sure to have that software installed. Now of course you can slap any RGB strip to the back of the desk and call it a day, but these can take it a step further by providing ambient lighting to gaming, movies, or music. And the lights look awesome. You can flip them around and provide ambient light or keep them facing forward for direct light. They come in a 2-pack, and you can purchase separate expansion lights to add to your light towers. They come with basic presets for lighting, but of course it can all be controlled via Corsair's software. Organizing your lighting to fit for a certain theme that you're going for can really tie it in all nicely together. For the mouse and keyboard options, you can match that however you like, but the keyboard, you can definitely put a lot more personality into it by building your own custom one, or at least modifying one that you may already have by picking up some keycaps or finding a nice USB-C cable that all matches well together. This is a bit more arbitrary and can have a complete video on its own, but I wanted to let you know that you have the option to make it more personalized and add in more colors to really fit a certain palette that you're going for. Another thing to tie in with your setup with color coordination is your desk mat or mouse pad. Desk mats, which are massive extended mouse pads, have been gaining popularity lately, and they can be a great way to follow through a theme for your space. The one I have here is a custom design that I made, but I want to bring light to the fact that there are many designs available out there to suit for what you're looking for. If you're interested in the desk mats I design, you can join my Discord linked in the description below for new designs coming out. And I'll also have links down below for certain types of websites that you can look at for these types of desk mats. For our seating, I went with something a little bit more neutral. The reason being is that committing to a certain theme with a chair can be expensive down the road in case you decide to change your theme later on. You can always swap out your keycaps or purchase a different desk mat without dropping too much money, but a chair would be a bit more invested into doing so. So here we have Corsair's T3 Rush in charcoal. It uses a fabric material instead of a pleather, so it does breathe and is soft to the touch without the worry of pooling up sweat for long gaming sessions. The chair does have the racer styling to it, but it's not overly done and looks sophisticated enough to be used for multiple themes. In terms of comfort, it's pretty comfortable for a $300 chair. I would just get rid of the neck pillow that comes with it, and I would be good to go for 1 or 2 hour sessions of comfort. A chair is easy to put together, and it's pretty adjustable for what it is. The lumbar support is just a pillow it comes with, but the armrests swivel and pan in and out, forward and back, and up and down. The material isn't really that squishy, but it's highly adjustable and about what you can expect from a $300 chair in terms of comfort. Now, the monitor we're using here isn't as important to the equation of going with a theme unless you have a monitor with controllable RGB illumination out the back. This one doesn't, unfortunately, but what we are going to focus on is the desktop. Notice how it's dynamic. It's using Wallpaper Engine, which is an app purchased from Steam for $4. That's the only price you pay, and it's a one-time purchase. You could choose from thousands of themes that are user submitted. It doesn't consume a ton of resources either. I'm just here to tell you about it, just to coordinate your theme and colors just one step further. Feel free to add accents to your setup as well to pull it all together even better. Like here, I have this resin board coaster that looks stunning that came off Etsy. There's plenty of ideas to get these from, like getting a wireless charger and putting a certain skin on there or vinyl wrap, but you get the idea. Bring in the accessories that can serve a purpose but also fit the theme. These are just the main things that bring it in, and then worry about the accessories later. I hope this video opened up some options for colors and how to coordinate them for all of you to look at when pulling together the look that you want for your setup. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing and checking out the rest of the channel. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.